If you want to learn how to make a great depth of field effect for your Roblox GFX, make sure to keep watching to find out how. Hello YouTube, welcome back to another Slicedmelon video. My name is Kieran, also known as Soaring Key, and in this video I am going to be showing you how to add depth of field to your Roblox GFX. So this GFX is made by Tom GFX, and without further ado, let's get started. So there are many ways you can actually add depth of field to your GFX, but personally I think the easiest way is to do it in Photoshop. However, there is also an option to add depth of field in Blender. Okay, so let's get started. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to this tool, the blur tool in Photoshop. Then you're going to want to get a soft round brush and turn this up. And then make sure your mode is normal, your angle is 0, and your strength, I like to set this at 50. And what we're going to do, we're going to think, where do we want this to focus? So I'm thinking we should mainly have this focused on this character here and what's around him. So we are actually, just like we were drawing something in Photoshop, we're going to use this brush to just blur where we don't want to be as visible and as focused on. So I want to keep some of the effect on the chest, because I think the chest is something that will draw attention in a thumbnail. Same with a shot. Can turn your strength up if you need to. If you make a mistake, so say like, I'm just going to turn this up just for demonstration, say you blur out the wrong part, all you do is hit Control and Z, or Z for the Americans out there, and that will just undo your changes. So as you can see, we now have a nice depth of field effect on our Roblox GFX. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to leave a like, comment to tell me that you want more videos like this, follow all of our socials, link in the description, and also join our Discord. I will see you in the next video.